The fly traps indoor, fruit fly traps, gnat traps, mosquito traps, insect traps indoor with 10 sticky glue boards. Black is a multi-purpose insect trapping device designed for indoor use. It comes with 10 sticky glue boards that are used to capture various flying insects such as flies, fruit flies, gnats, mosquitoes, and other small insects. One of the notable features of this product is its versatility. It is designed to target a wide range of flying insects, making it suitable for households or spaces where different types of pests are a concern. Whether you're dealing with annoying fruit flies in the kitchen or mosquitoes in the bedroom, this trap aims to provide a solution. The device is designed to be placed on a flat surface, such as a countertop or table. It has a sleek black design that blends well with most indoor environments. The sticky glue boards are placed inside the trap, and once the insects come into contact with them, they become trapped and unable to escape. The glue boards are easy to replace once they become full or lose their stickiness. This ensures that the trap remains effective over an extended period. Regularly checking and replacing the glue boards will help maintain the trap's efficiency in catching insects. One potential advantage of this type of trap is that it does not use any chemicals or pesticides, making it a more environmentally friendly option. It relies on the sticky glue boards to capture and immobilize the insects, making it safe for use around children and pets. When reviewing this product, you may want to consider factors such as its effectiveness in capturing the targeted insects, ease of use, durability of the trap, and the overall value for the price. Additionally, you can assess whether the trap meets your specific needs and if it effectively reduces the insect population in your indoor space. Remember to provide an honest and detailed review based on your personal experience with the product. Highlight both the positive aspects and any potential drawbacks you encountered. This will help other potential buyers make an informed decision about whether this particular fly trap is suitable for their needs.